How you doing, folks? Leon and Howden Tools here. We ran a competition a couple of weeks ago to begin with a chance to win the new model Milwaukee half-inch impact wrench with 2 batteries and a charge. It was a like, share, follow on our social medias with the names of the people who entered in here. We're just going to draw a winner now. And the winner, Johnny Tobin. Hello, Johnny. How are you keeping us? Leon and Howden Tools here. Not too bad, not too bad. Come here, you entered a competition a couple of weeks ago for a Milwaukee half-inch impact gun, 2 batteries and a charge. You're the lucky winner. Yeah. Why, you're not used to winning, are you? No. No bother, Johnny. We'll get that sent out to you tomorrow.